we go. Oh, shit, throwing shit. Alright, taking this shit out. $18 packs a box. Here we go. I'm not naming off stuff. I've never busted this before, so I gotta check what type of numbered situation there is. I guess we got a Supreme Court Anton Jameson for the Wizards. Not numbered, I guess. Yeah, not numbered. Alright, right out the gate, we have for the Supersonic. Wait. Yeah, for the Supersonics. He's in his Celtics jersey, but it says Supersonics on the card of a dual jersey of Delonte West for the Sonics. Delonte West. Alright, and then we got a notable newcomer of Al Horford for the Hawks. Alright. Supreme Court Jason Kidd for the Nets. These aren't even numbered. I'll send them out if... Oh shit. If we get anything. I'm going by the team on the card. Okay, I gotta pull this around there. Team on the card. Alright, for the Jazz, John Stockton. Insert. For the Sonics, Jeff Green. For the Raptors, Andrea Bargnani. Michael Jordan, insert for the Bulls. Mark Price for the Cavs. Michael Conley for the Grizzlies. AC Law, Hawks. Bill Lambier for the Pistons. Alright, here's a hit. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. For the Bulls. For the Bulls. Dual jersey auto. Numbered 16 of 23. Dual jersey auto, 16 of 23. I'm not even going to say it. Holy shit. Dual jersey auto, 16 of 23, Michael fucking Jordan. Holy shit. Then, insert between Celtics, Royals, and Pistons, numbered out of 1962. Holy shit. Michael Jordan. That goes to Starbury Matrix, dude. Oh, and now we got our patch auto for the Warriors. 2-color patch auto of Stefan Lasme. I'm Stefan Lasme. I don't know. 2-color patch auto numbered out of 599 that goes to JJ Powell. Whatever. Holy shit. All I gotta say is, holy fucking shit. I think we're done. I think this break is done. But that made the fucking break. That's all I have to say. Holy shit. Walt Frazier. I'm just gonna buzz through this. I gotta get this top loader for you, dude. Kobe Bryant insert. Spencer Hawes insert. You're gonna hang yourself? That's not cool. Alright, we're done. Peace, dude.